Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Chapters, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely good and you all are safe and healthy. Can you give me just your 10 minutes? In next coming 10 minutes, I will prove a point for you. What point? That you can study for your regulatory bodies exam in just rupees 51. You can start small and you can achieve your big goals. But just I need your 10 minutes. So be there in the video for next coming 10 minutes only. Okay, after 10 minutes, do whatever you want to do, but right now just understand one very innovative model which we have developed for you. Let's take this particular session forward now. So now my friends, on your screen you can see three different terms: chapters, course, and your comprehensive package. So this model, if I just have to give an acronym, this particular acronym will be CCP. First C goes for chapter, second C goes for course, and the P goes for a package. Now understand how this particular model works. First you have to understand the meaning of a chapter. Chapter basically is one unit. It's simply a one unit. Now this one unit can be of multiple different subjects. For example, I just want to study motivation in management. I just want to study ethics in management. I just want to study HRD, human resource development in management. I just want to study derivatives in finance. I just want to study ratios in accounting. Every particular chapter will be coming under the ambit of chapters itself. As simple as that. So at this organization, or rather I should say, in this organization, you can buy one single chapter. If you are having confusion, let's say in ethics only of management, purchase the ethics chapter only. If you are finding derivative stuff, then buy that particular chapter only. And the cost of one particular chapter is just rupees 51. Yes, you heard me right. Right? Just rupees 51. And mind you, my friend, in just rupees 51, we are not just providing you notes, we are providing you multiple deliverables. Let me tell you how. First, we are providing you KYC document. KYC over here is know your chapter. Through this particular document, you will come to know the approach that how I have to cover this individual chapter. Right. Then the second deliverable which you will get is the foundation notes, and along with that, you will also get foundation videos. Okay, these are like your building blocks. Once your building blocks are clear, then we are providing you revision notes and revision videos also. Now this is for those different aspirants. Revision notes and revision videos will help those aspirants who want to cover that particular chapter in 10 minutes. Yes, this is the power of revision which we are introducing in our organization. At the same time, you will get a quiz. Objective quiz, one marker question, two marker questions, both will be included. At the same time, you will also get a descriptive quiz, because in some exams like RBI and NABARD, descriptive quiz plays a very important role. At the same time, you will also get previous year questions of that particular chapter, right? At the same time, you will also get sample descriptive material, which will help you to understand that how you have to write an answer of multiple different questions, right? So in just rupees 51, you will be getting all these different deliverables. So the objective is that if you are purchasing, or if you are rather investing your money in one single chapter, then the learning should be comprehensive. It should not be like that in 51 I'm only providing you notes. No, we are, if you are investing money in our organization, we have to provide you as much as possible value. The more value we provide, the better satisfaction we will get. Okay, and remember my friends, this entire organization is based on chapters only. Therefore the name of the organization, the logo, the tagline, everything comes from chapters only. Right now, in some another video, I will tell you about the logo, the tagline of chapters. But right now, understand the basic foundation of our organization is chapter, right? And each and every chapter is individually available for you to invest or to purchase, whatever you want to say. Now once you have understood the concept of chapters, then I will introduce the meaning of a course. Course is basically a collection of multiple chapters. Today if I have to study RBI, and in RBI I am targeting finance. Okay, now roughly there are 25 chapters in finance itself. Now you have the option to purchase 25 individual chapters. You can do so, but we also provide you the option to buy all the chapters of finance at one particular place. So course is basically for a subject. It's a for one particular subject. Now that particular subject can be management, it can be finance, it can be ARD, it can be banking and financial markets for IFSCA, it can be IFSCA regulations also, it can be related to current affairs also. So basically a structured course is the collection of individual chapters only. And remember my friends, if you buy a course, we have given you inbuilt discount itself. Suppose let's say in SEBI management, I'm giving you an hypothetical example. Listen to it very carefully. In SEBI management, let's say there are 10 different chapters, right? So if you see for a course, the price should be what? 51 into 10. As I have told you that if you take a course is the accumulation of chapters. And how many chapters? I am assuming 10. So price of a course will be 51 into 10, which comes out to be 510, right? But we will provide you this particular course, let's say for 450 rupees or for 400 rupees or for 350 rupees, depending upon the cost which we are incurring on all the different assets which we have. So if you take a course, then definitely you are going to benefit you only, right? Because we have provided you inbuilt discount in that. But if you want to go for individual chapter purchase, that option is also available to you. The overall context over here is that we have provided you the freedom. You can decide that what you have to buy. There is no hurry, there is no pressure from our side, right? And then comes our package. Package is the collection of course. Package is the collection of course. Now suppose if you only want to buy the whole structure of RBI exam, you want to study RBI grade B 2027 or 2026, whatever your aim is, right? Then you need management, you need finance, you need current affairs, you need descriptive writing, you need mocks also and whatnot. So everything will be provided to you once you take the package. And again, don't worry, package is also very affordable. The one of the pillars of our establishment is affordability. So don't worry, for affordability, we will take care of that. Okay, so if you take a package, then you are getting all the access to courses. And if you are taking a course, then you are taking all the access to chapters. So basically, chapter is a very small unit. If you combine all those small units, you will get a course. And if you combine all the courses, you will get a package, right? So this is what the model we have developed. Now allow me to show you some examples. Let's take our session forward. I have to conclude this video under 10 minutes, right? And I will definitely have a point for you. Just wait a minute. Now, if you see, these are the different packages which are currently live on our website. Our website address is what? www.chapters.in. Remember, we have double S. There is a meaning to it, and I will let you know later in some another video, but you have to put double S in chapters, right? So www.chapters.in. And if you ever face, like even if you face a minor of doubt, call us on 77173 70166. We will pick your call and we will definitely address your queries. Now, if you go on our website, you just have to press on store. And if you directly go on the store, you will see filter by category, right? On filter by category, there are multiple options which are available. You will basically find four options. First is free material. Then you will find the material related to chapters. Then you will find the material related to course. And then you will find the material related to your packages also. Now I have currently chosen the chapter. So currently 3 chapters are available for sale. More chapters are under pipeline, and in next coming, I would say 3 to 4 months, you will be able to see multiple chapters over here. So buy what you want to buy. Simple, as simple as that. Nobody's forcing you now, right? So suppose I want to buy the very basic functions of management, or introduction to management is the name of the first chapter. I can buy it in just rupees 51. I just want to study current affairs of 1 month only. I do not want to over invest. You can buy the current affairs of April 2026 in just rupees 51. Remember, in current affairs, you will get daily video. You will also get a daily PDF, right? And you will also get a quiz. Moreover, you will also get your monthly compilations, weekly compilation, and there will be quiz on monthly compilation also. So as I have told you previously also, a lot of value is given to you. So this is all about chapters, right? Now let's move forward in this video. I have to give you some more insights, right? Now, if you see my friends, I have told you about chapters, I have told you about course, and I have told you about package also. Now let's take one live example of package, then we will conclude this video. If you see currently on my screen, I have changed the filter to package, and on the website currently 2 packages are live. How many packages are live? 2 packages. Now this is our current affair package, and then we have RBI grade B phase 2 test series package. Now as As and when you see the word package, you should be able to understand that it covers multiple things. Now, for example, if I go in the phase 2 test series for RBI grade B, you will be able to see that there are multiple courses in this. You will be able to see the management test series, finance test series, current affair test series, and multiple more courses. All these courses are also available for individual sale, right? Courses are also available for sale, packages are also available for sale. Likewise, if you go in current affairs packages, over here you will find the April month current affair, the current affairs of multiple different types, right? Like budget and economic survey, daily editorials. So all these different units are also available for sale. So the overall agenda to make this video is to understand that we have created a repository, right? This repository will help you to choose what you want to study. That's it. This is the idea which we want to bring. We don't want to push you towards a course of 10,000 directly. We don't want to push you towards a course of 5,000 directly. First, try to understand that whether you need it or not, right? Suppose you are preparing for, let's say, RBI, and you have over invested. You were busy in some particular work and you have taken the course also. Now, due to that particular work, you are not able to complete this course. गए आपके 10,000 रुपए. Your overall money of 10,000 is lost because you were not able to finish the course on time, because you were busy in some other work. Now, this is where the problem comes. Now, what you can do, you can just invest, let's say 500 rupees, 600 rupees, and you can start your journey. There is no need to go for big. Start small. Once you keep taking the small steps, you will keep moving ahead. Okay. So this is all about our overall model of CCP. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any doubts, then please ask in the comment box. At the same time, you can also call us on 7717370166 and please visit our website, which is chapters.in. That's it. I can see on my screen. It's 12 minutes video. I hope this much of flexibility I have. That's it. Have a great day ahead.